Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Busy birds' toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This Busy Bird's wooden rope toy has many parts for your bird to enjoy. They can use it to satisfy their natural hanging and climbing instincts, while chewing on the wooden blocks for beak maintenance. It is easy to hang and create different levels in their environment for an added touch of adventure. They will play for hours. Order yours today.